India has one doctor for every 1,511 people. In government hospitals, a single doctor sees 80 to 100 patients a day with barely 4 minutes per patient. 70% of that time goes to paperwork. Patients leave confused, referrals are incomplete. ClinicalSetu AI changes this. The doctor speaks or types one clinical narrative, and our AI generates 5 structured outputs: SOAP note, patient summary, referral letter, discharge summary, and clinical trial matches. 1 input, 5 output, 0 diagnosis.
So under the hood, our ClinicalSetu AI leverages multiple AWS resources, out of which AWS Bedrock is the major resource where we orchestrate our multi-agent orchestration, which consists of multiple agents working together with a supervisor agent, helping them collaborate and execute the task and get a final response. So let me just walk you through the application. When you open our ClinicalSetu AI application, here you have two options: patient portal, doctor portal. Let's first see the doctor portal. And for demo purposes, you can choose any doctor and just log in. Once you log in, it will show you all the consultations which you have already done in previously. It will list down here, and when you open it, it will show all the details of the patients. And if you click on edit and reprocess, it will take you to the reprocessing of the consultation page. When I go back here, you get an option to search for specific patient just to make your life easier. The main core feature of our application is here, new consultation. So when I click on new consultation, it will take us to our actual new consultation page where the doctors can either use a voice mode or text mode. And voice mode, we leverage AWS Transcribe Medical to understand the medical jargon easily, and it also supports multiple languages. Sometimes the doctors don't have the time to type the text. If the doctor prefers to type the text, well and good. If the doctor doesn't prefer to type the text, then he can just switch to audio mode. And if I just click on the audio, then the doctor can have a normal conversation with the patient, and the audio will be transcribed in real time. And as you can see, the real live transcription will appear here as I talk. So suppose the doctor says, okay, so you have kidney stones, all have Alzheimer's, then it will just detect the jargon, medical jargon so easily, and everything will come up here in real time. So let me just stop this, and I'll just switch to text mode for demo purposes, and I'll just use some pre-filled data from here so that it's quick and easy. Major thing is this patient details, not the name, but the phone number, because this is a phone number to which all these details will be tagged, and the patient can later log in to this application from the patient portal and get the summary of his consultation in normal, easy words within his own preferred language. So, and if I just click on process with AI, the control will be handed over to a multi-agent orchestration where the supervisor agent communicates with all the other agents to generate the SOAP and the summary, then the referral and trial, check the trials as well, communicates with all the agents, summarizes everything, and then that gives us the final output. So it's summarizing, and here we have a final output. We have a SOP note, patient summary. If I scroll down, you can see all the details. Then we have referral letter, all the details, discharge summary. This makes the life of doctors so easy. And once doctors have gone through it, if they want to change their language, they can just switch the language to any preferred language they want, and the AI will translate the relevant data into the specific language. And this is generated by the AI. So we always need a human in the loop. And here the doctors can approve the trials or reject the trials. Doctors can approve the discharge, referrals approve, patient summary, SOP note, doctors can approve if they find everything to be correct. And in case they want to hand over a hard copy, then they can just click on print and print the SOP note or any other document. Coming back to the home page, if I go to this patient, and here are the patient details, and if I click on edit and reprocess, it will take me back to this consultation page. So we have the patient portal here where the patients can log in. So let me just log in with one sample dummy patient, and OTP also is a dummy OTP for demo purposes. And once I sign in, here the patient can see all of their details. This number was tagged to this patient, and all their visits and details were saved here. And it doesn't save visits from only one hospital. Wherever you visit, and if the hospital is using ClinicalSetu AI, clinic is using ClinicalSetu AI, all your visits will be shown. They can also track their medical prescriptions on how many tablets and at what time they have to take.